How's it going, guys? I want to show you a quick introduction to the $7 product stack as far as the back end. So when you have a product, when you have a solution for a problem that someone may have, whether it's more money, whether it's beauty secrets, or whether it's health and wellness, the biggest thing you want to do in your business is automate 90% of it. Meaning when someone comes and gets information, this video can be informative. If it's like a physical product, you can make this video, I would say 1 to 5 minutes, sometimes even longer if it's hitting the ball out the park every minute, meaning it's just packed with information. But if you're someone who has more opportunist outlook, meaning you're selling a digital product, you're selling something that shows a skill, you want to pique people's interest with the landing page, collect the information via email or name and email, simply because people don't buy right away. You want to follow up with them, and that's where the big automation comes. So after we collect the email, here's where you can break down. In my case, it's pretty much right to checkout. It's an entry level product, $7. So I said, instead of just sending cold traffic to a bridge page or just something that has information on it, let me put a video, and you see it's around six minute mark, and I got more, and I made the video more longer, so to say, simply because we're here where you're going to make a financial decision, even though it's only $7. So here's where I can spill all the details. Now I also have you in the system, meaning you opted in. So now on the back end, I really have the most important part, which is the lead intact, so I can follow up later. But instead of just making you buy an entry-level product, I explain more so what's going on in an entry-level product, meaning this video is running 24/7 for me. And then once they purchase this, they get into the entry-level product, which shows them all the information. Really, this $7 product is not just you to see what products that I'm using on the internet, but the whole setup, like how you're seeing this setup. This same system I'm gonna allow you to have, but I'm gonna break it down and, in a very intricate way that is going to show you why we do what we do, which I kind of just explained why the system is it. And like I said, the content, whether it's Pinterest posts or whatever, the content is the easy part. It's the fun part. I mean, it's still some knowledge behind it, but this is where you should relax and let this thing we call a system do most of its work. And I'm actually going to show you a little more. And I'm actually going to do it. Let's just do the $7 product stack. And we're using System.io, for example. This is where the magic really works. And this is just a very simplistic automation. But when people subscribe and put their email in, they're going to be tagged with a tag, which is going to say, product purchased. And then from there, it's going to automatically enroll them into the community, the course. And then you're going to get access to the community. And then it's going to send me an email letting me know, hey, this person is in. And if they don't, get this lead, it's going to send something. If they don't purchase, it's going to send them another email saying, hey, pretty much, why didn't you purchase? And this runs outside of me. So once a person fills out that email and comes to this page, my business is still working for me. And this is how you scale anything. See, we go in to places and we work, 10, 11 hours, 8 hours, and everything runs off of us. And I'm talking about the majority, not the ones who have these awesome jobs or that get paid tons of money a week, or they get paid even when they're not at work. I'm talking about the majority of people. When you make your first $100 from uploading a pin, a Facebook post, talking to someone, you'll be changed forever, because that would be an effortless amount of money that you made. And you'll understand that we literally are overworked for peanuts. So that's just a little demonstration I wanted to show you guys. and I'm going to put it into Adobe. Just some bonus things to know. I'm going to put it into Adobe Podcaster, the whole video that you're watching now. It's going to up the quality of the audio, and then I'm going to upload it right to the comment section of a Threads post that's going to get your attention, and it's going to hit the algorithm. And that's one way I build my business, guys. I'm telling you, it's really that simple. And I'm going to be showing you these things. So once you pay the $7, once you see my document on what I'm running, what products, affiliate products I'm running on the back end, once you get into the community, get your system and see how to run an online business, and you can plug in other products. Like say you are an affiliate or a network marketer and you have products already, you can plug them into the product stack. It's just a more attractive way to offer these programs instead of just coming on here either recruiting or just trying to get a whole bunch of referrals. This is a more attractive way to package something and automate it and scale it. All right, guys, so the link will be below this video so you can demo the system as well as get inside.